Hello Blackfit Gardeners, it has been so long since we have been here for a video and I do apologize. Life has been lifing and a lot has been going on, and plus winter going into, not much gardening season, and my winter garden was not that good this year, by the way. So besides the point, we are back trying to do better this year. We're going to do better this year. I'm not going to say trying. We are going to do better this year, and we are back with another video of us getting ready to start our spring garden. So we're going to be starting the seeds in the house, and my boyfriend bought me a grow light stand in the other room that I'm going to show you. That's going to help us with getting the spring garden started before the March comes in / spring. So let's go ahead and get started with prepping for the spring. Okay, so here is the beautiful grow light stand that I told you that my boyfriend got me for Christmas this year. Please don't mind the hamster house. I'm sorry, not hamster, but the well, it can be a hamster house. But the guinea pig house over here, I had to take it out the cage because my guinea pig is not acting right. But anyways, the light is on, and all I have right now is my little string of pearls sitting here. This one's not doing so good. She has been giving me trouble for a while, but this one is booming, so I'm not complaining. But anyway, this is just where we're gonna put all of our seedlings for this year that we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, 2 days later, and I am back to show you the seeds that I plan on planting. I'm sorry y'all, work got super busy the other day when I was trying to start this. I work from home, so sometimes it's busy, sometimes it's not. So it just depends on the day. So all the seeds in these little baggies here, these are just seeds from some fruit and veggies that were left over from the actual fruit and veggies of last year. So I just saved some of the seeds to see what would happen there. But the rest of these are what I plan on starting up under the grow light. Some of these I know are direct sow, but I'm still going to start them on the inside just because I'm just going to do that. But yeah, these are a lot of seeds and vegetables this year. I may be in over my head, but I'm just going to see what happens. Some may come up, some may not, but we will see. All right, guys, let's get planting. Okay, so I was giving these to start the season. I was told you can start seasonings. I don't really know how to use them from my understanding. I think I'm gonna just fold them over like this, put the dirt in, and then just sit them in the tray. I usually just put them dirt in Rallo. I usually just put dirt in these 4-inch pots and then just start my seeds in there. But since I have all of these, and these are you can kind of just put these in the ground, I'm gonna see what happens with starting the season here this year and give you an update on that. Alright, so I had to move from my table to the floor the old-fashioned way. My tripod is very ghetto. It does not extend all the way up like I want it to. So literally after I'm done planting this stuff and after this video, I'm going to purchase another tripod because I'm really tired of using it. So anyway, we're just going to move to the floor and go ahead and get started with these seeds. Alright, you guys, I am all done with starting our first set of seeds for this spring, and they are under the grow light ready to start going. So we will keep you updated as we go. I'm going to probably add more to this since I made so many bags. I'll just use some more of the seeds that I had in Ziploc bags from last year and see if those will come up again for me. But we are spring ready. Thank you for watching Blackfit Gardeners. We love you guys so much and appreciate you all for sticking with us for such a long time. And we will see you on the next video.